The GR Corolla was only offered in 6 different colors from the factory, which is why it's a perfect candidate for our latest colored paint protection film, DYNOtanzanite, which is a nice blue-purple metallic gloss paint protection. Now, it's going to provide the benefits of traditional PPF, but it's going to look pretty dang cool and help this GR stand out from some of the Priuses on the road. Once we're done, there'll be no question that it is indeed an enthusiast vehicle, so we'll let the team at Blue Star dive right into the install. Car's already dismantled and it's ready for some PPF. Check it out. Now, PPF is kind of a no-brainer over vinyls. It not only looks a lot better, but it's going to last a lot longer and protect that surface underneath a lot better as well. So this technology is a lot more rock chip resistant, has a top coat that provides hydrophobics and self-healing, and most vinyls just don't have. Ultimately, what you're going to get is a film that looks better and lasts a lot longer, which is worth the investment if you plan to keep your car or just going on a nice brand new car like this GR. What's cool about the new DYNOtanzanite is it totally changes colors depending on which way you're looking at it. Now, from a more straight on and vertical surface, you're gonna see primarily blue, but the lower angle you get and the more horizontally you look at the film, the more purple that shows. And that's because of the metallic flake in there and how that flake is laid down. And that means your car is gonna be a little bit of a different flavor every day you get into it or however you approach it. And it's really gonna help highlight those body lines too in all sorts of different lighting. Just like that, this GR Corolla is fully wrapped in our new DYNOtanzanite and it looks awesome. To top it all off, we are topping it off with our final coat ceramic coating, adding 2 years to that warranty, bumping it up to 12 years of warranty now, and making it a little bit easier to wash, care for whenever that time comes. Go ahead and check it out. We'll roll out in the street here in the sunshine very shortly.
Feel like summer in Ibiza, tastes like honey when I see ya. I can't help it, I'm obsessed and oh my God, I wanna feel ya. Watermelon, sugar sweet, now we're sitting on the beach. I can't help it, I'm obsessed and oh my God, I wanna feel you right. Do you feel the way that I feel now? Sunset breeze, get closer to me.